So, right now we're going to be making the headstand. Now, whoa, oops, this paper airplane, you do not need to fold those down. You could just have it like this. And it'll fly better like that. But if you want to turn it into like a stunt plane and make it do headstands, all you gotta do is fold them down and then do that. We'll learn how to do the whole other plane part right now. I got better chalk. It writes better and gets all over my hand better. Alright. First thing you do, fold it in half. Make all folds as perfect as you can. And then you fold here to here, like this. So it comes to a point there. Same with the other side. So that comes to a point here. Unfold it. See that middle of the X? Just fold down right there. Fold down right smack dab in the middle of the X. Make sure it is. Open it back up. Fold this little triangle down. Put your finger down in there. And fold the upper triangle down. Fold the bottom triangle. Upper triangle. And the whole top triangle down. Adjusting this stuff. Making sure it's perfect. Alright, after you got that, we're going to do a sink fold. This is the water bomb right here. We're going to sink fold. What you do is you take this tip, put it down to the middle, bottom. Fold it. Unfold that. And that crease right there, right in the middle, we're going to put that tip right in the middle of that crease. Make sure to fold this one pretty good. And then unfold that. Then unfold everything else. Flip it over. And you'll see this middle square. You want to pinch all of these sides so that they look like this. I want to pinch all the sides so that they do that. So that looks like that. You got a little square. Push those, see, on that side, push those down, flatten them out, press the middle of that button, and with these two fingers right here, push the sides in, keep pressing, keep pushing, push down with the other fingers, and then just try to make sure that everything is all flattened out up there, and there, and there, you'll get that. Let me do it one more time for you. Fold it down there. Push these in. Push that back. And push down. Flatten everything out. And you got this. Alright, now what you do now is, hold on to see this. Alright. Don't worry about it, I just gotta look at them. Alright, see this part right here? Flip it over to the side. Fold this down like this and push those little triangle things out. Alright. What else was I doing? Oh yeah. Fold this from this corner down to this middle as far as it can go, like right there. And it will look like this. And then take it at the middle line, right here, the middle line, fold it back out. Do the same with the other side. And now what I do to make this one easier is to match this tip up with this tip. And then use this one, push that down, and then fold right beside that one. Hold on, let me switch my feet position. It gets uncomfortable sitting here for a long time. Alright, now that we got that, let me see what I'm doing. Alright, see what we're working with here. Alright, and then we fold this side down right here, and this part I sometimes have trouble on. And then you fold those down, make sure to push those down so that it goes to make a tip. The same for this side. And after you did that, just unfold it, and then do this, and then just fold it on the other side, using the same crease that you just made. There, you got the regular body for it. Let's see if that looks the same, because I have to get this perfect for you guys. I mean, I can't. Yeah, that's good. Alright, and then see, there's the side with this. Go to the side with the bigger one of these, and then fold it in half upward. Then you're going to want to take this ruler and fold from a quarter of an inch. Mark that down there. Yeah, I use rulers to make all my designs accurate, because accuracy is best in flying. So that's what you want. And then on the back side, you want it up 1 3/4, which is 1 3/4, which is almost to the 2 mark up here, but not quite. So 1 3/4. If you have a ruler, you should know how to do that. If you don't, get someone to help you. Mark those off. You see, there, up there, right there. Okay, and then fold from the mark down here to the mark up there. And then just copy that same thing on the other side, making sure to get it as precise as you possibly can, so that you get just flat edge, no peeking up behind, no peeking up. Alright, now like I said, you can leave the design like this, it'll fly good. Well, it doesn't fly good now because I'm not throwing it hard enough. I'm throwing it towards there, but it'll fly good like this. But if you want to do it the handstand and do the tricks, you gotta see this. Alright, you take this thing and fold it up, like you take this line right here and fold it up along this little line right here, like that. after that, you push those down a little bit, make them just a little bit bent, and then there. Headstand lander. See, I'll spin it around while it's like that, so you can see that it's on its head. Well, I can't really show you, but it flies pretty good. Alright, I'm sorry for making too long videos. If you care enough to watch the whole thing, then I thank you. If you actually make it, I thank you more. If you subscribe and like, I thank you a lot. And if you keep on watching, I really thank you. I mean, that means a lot to me that if you like these planes. So, yeah, comment, like, favorite, subscribe, do whatever the heck you want with it. I don't know, just don't copy it and claim it as your own. So I hope you enjoyed folding this airplane. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy flying it. Bye.